I'm a little bit late to the live stream. That's not good. Unfortunately. What's up, Mr. Keith? What's up, Indian Kitchen? How are you? What's up, Flipcoins? How are you? Welcome to the welcome to the end of the live stream. Unfortunately, we got a Bitcoin breakdown. We're going to take a look at DOGECOIN, kind of like what we have been doing. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. What's up, Flipcoins? What's up, Indian Kitchen? What's up, Mr. Keith? When are we going up with Dogelon on Mars? I have no idea. That's a good question. What's up, Deechberry? What's up, Sandbaggin? What's up, Plutobolic? Hey, that's a pretty cool name, Plutobolic. That's pretty cool. All right, let's look at, let's have this graph up for Dogecoin so that we can just keep an eye on it. Yeah. Yeah. So from the high to the low, we are getting stuck at the 786. The target to beat is 41 cents. And then in terms of short-term 30-minute support goes, and again, support 236382, I would say 33 cents. And then if we actually move our FIB here, we're looking at 36. So for the sake of this stream, we're going to leave the targets here. And yeah, we'll say as long as it's over, and keep in mind this is a 30-minute chart, so 34 cents, 36 cents, and then 41 cents is valid. So let's see. And then Bitcoin, unfortunately, Bitcoin. My targets are still valid actually for Bitcoin on the macro time frame. We said that our target is at 95,000. We didn't quite come up that high, but I do have a target at 95. And then you're looking at 144. So in terms of a 30-minute short, kind of like what we did with Dogecoin, we are looking at, I think it still needs to hold, yeah, it needs to hold 86, worst case scenario. And then how do I like turn off notifications? And then from here, you're looking at, I guess that did break, so we are looking at the 382, so 86 to 87, which I think was the valid target last night. So in my stream last night, we said that it absolutely needs to hold over this box. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm a little bit late to the stream, unfortunately, but I made it. So we're gonna stream for about an hour and a half, just depending on how many people come, and you know, we can hang out, look at everyone's coins. Had a busy day today. Had a very busy day today. So yeah, we're just gonna have to take it slow. And then we're gonna look at, actually, yeah, we're gonna look at Dex Screener too, but we're gonna have Dogelon Mars up here for all the Dogelon Mars moon boys. Our targets are still valid for Dogelon Mars. So this is the chart that the 30-minute chart that I drew last night. We actually did come down and tag 6020, and we got a nice little bounce, and then we got stuck at resistance at the top side of this band. So we are consolidating in support right now. So keep that in mind too. So how's everybody night? Are you guys rich yet? Like, am I the only one that isn't? Am I the only one that unfortunately isn't profiting from this bull run? Because my coin, unfortunately, OXT, it's now under 7 cents. Is it? No, I don't think it is. But yeah, this thing is not doing so good. But it's not just me. Just keep in mind, it's not just me. There's a lot of coins that are performing well. Are we back? 90,000? What's up, Abe? 9cat broke out, man. Let's take a look at 9cat for Indian Kitchen. You know what really broke out? Cat with bag. Yeah, so we had a breakout. So nothing has changed from the last time, so I don't need to draw I don't need to draw this any other way. We broke 1 cent 50. We're actually over it. Keep in mind that the next area of resistance for our 9CAT is 2082. Once that breaks, you're looking at all-time highs at 4 cents. Keep in mind that this is a gamble coin because it is a $2 million market cap. So from this low to the high, you're looking at around a 20x. So 20x would also put it at 40 million market cap. Oh, also, yeah, flip coins. So are mine, man. My coins are absolutely just like I mean, we just have to wait. We really just have to wait. What's up, right hand? How are you? So yeah, so like you see how we came all the way down with used car and we smacked against the 11 and we got a nice recovery. Unfortunately, when we came back up, we got stuck at resistance again, and now we're in the lowest part of it. So 14, so 1 cent 40 does need to hold for flip coins. Well, technically, yeah, for flip coins. 1 cent 40 absolutely needs to hold for used car. Otherwise, 11, so 1 cent 10 does need to hold in case we do get a breakdown that puts it that low. On the upside, though, once we break out of this box and stay over it, 3 cents 75 is in play, followed by 7.5 cents. And then your other coin, Billy, which I really hope it broke 8 cents today. No, it didn't, but it's still, yeah, you're still up. So, again, like I told you last time, it's like my OXT and Elon. The majority of my money is in OXT and off wallet, and then my Elon is the lower one, and Elon went up a lot higher than OXT, and I was hoping that it was the other way around so I could rotate it in, but you know, it didn't work that way. So in terms of Billy goes, 8 cents is the next valid target as of right now. It could even, you know, come back, we could get a retracement or whatever. That's pretty normal. The macro target is 8 cents and it is holding, so just keep that in mind. OXT isn't doing good, obviously we know that. We're back over 90,000, which is solid, which is good. So there's a couple of subscribers actually that requested videos. I'm gonna actually message them. Come check out the live stream right now and I can take a look at it for you. Actually, that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm just gonna start telling people, hey, come to the live stream. Otherwise, you're just gonna have to wait until Saturday until I make my watch list videos. But I don't know. I mean, we'll see. I'm still trying to figure it out. It's just I'm trying to live stream every single day this month, and it's a lot. So I don't even know how Vision does it. That guy is a grinder, and he's doing it multiple times. I don't like. That's crazy. Flip coins for 10. You know, you come here every single live stream and you donate and you super chat. I really do appreciate that, but I feel like you're good for the next year, man. I really do appreciate the super chats. That's awesome, and that's awesome, and I really do appreciate that. So I even did your coins first so you can so you didn't even have to super chat me. That's why I did your coins, because I knew you were gonna super chat me. Well, I didn't know, but you know what I mean. So, but I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you so much for the super chat. And let me know what else you need me to look at for you, because yeah, while you have me, I can take a look at all your coins, and we could just look at the targets. You know, who's the guy who was in? It was Booties. Oh my gosh, I would never want to wake up and this be my coin. Dude, this thing went up 50x, 60x. So his 10 grand would have been $650,000. Oh my god. It's just brutal. It's really brutal. Flipcoins, did you ever buy this coin? I hope you did, but if you didn't, I'll take a look. My favorite coin is Harmony 1 and it's lagging. Hey, Casey Peterson. Casey Peterson, I'll take a look at Harmony 1 for you after flip coins. After I take a look at flip coins, flip coins. So taking a look at Myro. Do we have a chart drawn for Myro? We do. So Myro is breaking out. So I guess at this point I will look at the short-term targets for you. So the next target for Myro is going to be 20 cents. Little to no resistance to 29 cents. And you're looking at 46 cents, $1.58 macro target. And that would be around a 10x from the current price, which just put the market cap at 1.5 billion. So, so far so good for Myro. Keep in mind that, keep in mind that 20 cents, 29 cents, 46 cents, these are all resistance points. And then in terms of the other coin you saw, Samo. I don't think we have a saved card for. Oh yeah, we do have a saved chart. So for Samo, we are still stuck in resistance. We said 2084 is resistance, and then we're looking at 1 cent. Once 1 cent breaks, we are looking at retesting this high at around 3 cents, and from there we're going to the moon. So yeah. Oh, what's this? Casey Peterson. Well, she wanted Harmony 1 or he. I don't know. I don't know if that's a. I don't know. So, Harmony 1. I remember I used to make videos on Harmony 1. What is that? Oh, gifted Crypto Me Analysis membership. Thank you so much for that. That's awesome. Wow. Thank you so much for gifting a membership. That's really cool. I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. So taking a look at Harmony 1. So unfortunately, Harmony 1 isn't really doing much, but you probably already know that because you're in there. From the high to the low. Oh, you're a guy? Okay, got it. So, so thank you so much. I really appreciate the membership, and the gift. I really do appreciate that. So for Harmony 1, you already know nothing's new, nothing's exciting, nothing's new. Unfortunately, the problem with Harmony 1 is that we are under the 236, so we do have to worry about this floor holding with any sort of big breakdown. So you're looking at 208 absolutely holding, needing to hold, and not bullish on the macro time frame until we break 2 cents. Keep in mind we also do have resistance the entire way up. On the short-term time frame though, we are actually stuck in resistance. So we are consolidating into resistance and we're just making higher lows, which is good in the short term, but we need to break and stay over this. But the problem again with this is that because we are all the way at the bottom, there's a lot of resistance to get through. But once we get through it, we should get up on out of here and the Harmony 1 should have its bull run. And from there, if it goes back up to its all-time high, from the current price, you're looking at around 25x, 26x, which does put the market cap at still under 5 billion, which isn't unrealistic. Keep in mind that it actually used to be around 5 billion, so 4 billion here it peaked. But I think they probably release coins, so I think the market cap is going to double top if it does go back to that high. And yeah, so they did release coins. You can see it almost double topped here on the price, but the market cap was a lot higher. So you know, it might not go all the way back up to its all-time high, but just make sure you have a plan and you sell on the way up. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Demon, no, my coin's not up. Look, this is my coin. This is my coin, so my coin's not up. My coin is up 50% from the all-time lows, but also just keep in mind I didn't buy at the all-time lows. I think the last time I bought was 7 cents 40, which I'm still getting wrecked in. So I think I'm probably one of the only ones that isn't making money this bull run. I'm just joking. That's actually a lie because Doge on Mars is like going parabolic. So Doge on Mars is doing really good. Look, it's up like 46% on the month. So on the year, it's up 45%, and so far so good. OXC is hopefully next. So yeah, to answer your question, no, I'm not. Night Stalker wants Aventis. I'll take a look at that for you. Have you looked at Spell Token yet? No. Can you look at Beer? No. Oh, I mean, yes, I can. Seller Network. I'll take a look at Seller Network. What's up, The Wanderer? What's up, Elixio? That's a lot of coin requests. I will get to all of them. So let's start with Aventis because Aventis is this very small market cap. It's fully, it's 12 million market cap, very small. Unfortunately, nothing has really changed, I think, from the last time that I looked at this coin. So we are still consolidating in resistance. So we are, or actually no, we're actually under resistance at this point. So nothing's bullish with Aventus until we break $2.27. And then in terms of support goes, you can see that there is no more support for Aventus because the 618 did break until $1.20. So if we don't, and this goes for the, like, for example, this goes for my coin too, because my coin is all the way down here. So if my coin doesn't have a recovery rally, then we're going all the way back down to the lows. So to put things into perspective for you, the same thing is valid for Aventus, where if we don't break 227 and actually get over this level and consolidate, then $1.21 is the next area of support if it does go down that low. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Let's take a look at Spell Token. Spell Token had a nice move, but it's still stuck in resistance, and it's still under its 236 from the high to the low. So from the high to the low, from the east to the west, we said that Spell Token is not bullish under 309. Unfortunately, we're not bullish. And in terms of the shorter time frame goes, we are, oh, we're actually over the 382, so that's actually bullish. So as long as it stays over this box, you are looking at, yeah, so as long as we stay over over this box and over this resistance, then I'd say 309 is in play, and from there, Spell Token to the moon. So yeah, I hope this is it for Spell. That's, what is it, like a 50x? Well, not anymore. It's a 37x back up to its all-time high. So congratulations in advance if it actually goes that high, and if you wait and sell that high. So have you looked at Spell Token? I read that. Can you take a look at beer? I'm assuming beer is going to be a, I'm assuming beer on Solana or beer on Phantom. Tell me which beer, Demon. And then Seller Network. This is a Coinbase coin, right? Yeah, it's on Coinbase. I recognize it. I know all the Coinbase coins. So taking a look at Seller Network for Mr. Flip Coins. So just massive consolidation, I guess. So from the high to the low, nothing. Oh, we're actually consolidating in resistance right now. Once the 382 breaks, you have little to no resistance to 1.80, and then from there it's here to the moon. But nothing's really bullish right now because we are consolidating over resistance. The problem is that because, again, like, we're all the way at the low, if we do go back down this low, we do have to worry about coming back down and retesting this floor that's been forming for the past 2 years. So not financial advice, just my opinion, and that's pretty much it for Seller Network. What's up, GE? I actually asked for you. I actually asked, I don't know if you were in Vision's live stream tonight, today, or both of his live streams, but I asked him if you were banned, and he said he recognized your name, and I was like, oh, he doesn't, and I tried to fight for you, but I don't think he read the messages. But I don't know, apparently you said something, and I don't know, I don't know, but just for your information, I did say something, so just FYI. Let's see, what did I miss something? Oh, beer on Solana. All right, taking a look at beer on Solana. Looks like another gamble coin that's going to the moon. It's already up 200%, so just keep that in mind from the high to the low. It is over its 236, so as long as it stays over that, next area of support is, next area of resistance is 403. Once 403 breaks, then I'd say to the moon. But as long as it's over 402, it's still solid. It would be theoretically consolidating, followed by the next move up. If at any point we fall below 402, then we are probably going to get a bigger capitulation and a retest of these lows. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Zeta Chain. Let's take a look at Zeta Chain. Taking a look at Zeta Chain for Elixio, but first let's take a look at Dogecoin, see if it's doing anything. Nope, it's still at 39 cents, nothing new. Bitcoin looks like it's trying to close green. We are making higher lows, so this is still bullish. I do put the macro target at 95,000. Once that breaks, you're looking at 144,000. I think that will probably take, I don't know, a couple months maybe, but we're obviously going to keep doing, we're going to keep looking at it. So taking a look at Zeta Chain for Elixio. I think this is the right chart. So from the high to the low, we are actually in resistance right now, 236382. As long as it stays over 50 cents, I'd say bullish. If it breaks below, then we're probably going to go back down to the lows. Once it breaks 75 cents, I'd say we could say that it's officially in a bull run. But in terms of the targets go, I would put those two targets crucial at this point. Crucial targets at this point where it needs to break and stay over. So not financial advice, just my opinion. You think Doge is a buy right now? I don't think anything is a buy right now when it goes up 400%. But I can't buy something that's up 400%. So you got to do what's best for you. Not financial advice. Nice analysis on one. Thank you. It's pretty much a confirmation. I have my target set. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. And yeah, good. You're supposed to have your target set. That's what I always tell people. It's like, hey, don't be greedy. Sell on the way up. Right now, especially with coins that haven't really gone up, you should be accumulating. And I'm not like literally like it's like buy the coins that haven't moved yet because it's all rotationary. You got your like meme coins are first this time, and then maybe utility coins are next, or maybe utility coins are last. So it just depends on what industry and market that your coin falls in. But it's all in rotation. It all comes in rotation. So, you know, you have XLM, XRP, and then you have meme coins, and then maybe you have utility, and then you have swaps, and then like the swap coins and the exchange coins start going parabolic. So just put in your sell targets and leave it, and then that's playing it super smart. So you're welcome, Demon. I should probably like call you something else. I'll call you like 1281. I don't know if it feels weird saying, oh yeah, thank you. You're welcome, Demon. Like, you're welcome. Let's see. We've been waiting for this for the past 4 years, guys. We cannot fumble this. We cannot fumble this. We've been waiting for the last 4 years, and this is it. All I need to do is just get a time machine and go back and buy this, because you know this was literally a 50x. So man, that is good for everybody that bought this. Congratulations to everyone that bought this. Wow. Oasis. You mean Rose? I think you're talking about Rose, right? Taking a look at Oasis for Night Stalker. From the high to the low, we are still over the 236. As long as we're under 10 cents, it's not macro bullish. Once we break 10 cents, I'd say Rose coin to the moon. As long as we stay over 6.5 cents, I'd say it is bullish. We are technically still making higher lows, and we're still technically maintaining this uptrend. Keep in mind that right now we are in this downtrend on the macro time frame. I do like if we do get consolidation followed by a breakout, we come back and retest it. That is also very possible. So just keep that in mind too. But as long as it stays over 6.5 cents, it is macro bullish. Sorry, it is bullish and then macro bullish once it breaks 10 cents. Can I get a Haya? What's up, Roy's Army? Wait, did you change your name? Oh no. Oh no. You changed your name. You gotta change your name to like a PG-13. No, that's not that bad. During alt season peak, can you 5x in a week or sooner? Yeah, I mean, look at what happened with this coin. Literally, you in 2 days, literally in 2 days, you got a 50x. Hello, a little worried about Ping and Moonwell. You mean PNG? The Aquarius, do you mean PNG, Pangolin, and Moonwell? Let me know and I'll take a look at both of them for you. My first bull run here, and I'm planning on rotating heavy. Yeah, but what you don't want to do is what I did last time, which is rotate into something that's already went up, or something that's never going to go up and it's just going to go to zero with the market when we get that giant correction. So you got to make sure you do your research and don't do that, because all of the money that you make, you could possibly give back rotating into the wrong coin. So just FYI. LOL, I did, yeah. I was like, who else we got to have a blue name? I started trading / investing at the last top. Inadvertently DCA'd all the way down by catching all the knives. Yeah. Continued DCA in the bottom of the bear. Learned a lot of TA. Yeah. That's what happened with me. I unfortunately, yeah. I unfortunately had to learn the hard way. I had to learn literally, yeah, TA because I got wrecked in the last 4 years. So I'll take a look at PNG and Moonwell for Mr. Aquarius all day. We'll take a look at it, see what's happening with it. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still at 90,000. It's PG-13 LO. I changed it just to get Vision to say my name with a super chat. Did he? Oh. Yeah, but also he has like 1,000 people in his live stream, so I don't think I don't know, actually, maybe. Do you have advice on how to look at and compare USDT, USD index, BTC dominant charts? Yeah, so I could take a look at BTC dominant charts and USDT dominance. We'll take a look at that after Moonwell and PNG. What's up, Matthew Dropco? Yeah, we're all in the same boat, apparently. None of our coins are going up, and we've been literally dollar cost averaging down and just accumulating the entire way on the way down. So taking a look at Moonwell. So taking a look at Moonwell for Aquarius. So we are getting a sell-off from the high to the low. We had resistance here. We broke through it, came back down. 28 cents still in play. You're looking at, we are about to tag the 236 area of support. Keep in mind that if it bounces from there, that will be very, very, very bullish. Once we break 8 cents, which is the previous peak, I'd say that 28 cents is in play. However, if we do break below 6 cents 40, then with Moonwell, then we are looking at a bigger capitulation down to around 4.5 cents. Keep in mind that would be around a 60% correction from the peak. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Matthew Dropco, you have Pepe? Oh my gosh. The chosen one. Oh my gosh, congratulations. Wow. Millionaires. This is literally making millionaires. That is awesome. Congratulations. Look at this. I guess it is only 200%, but I mean, if you had bought if you had bought here, how much is that? Yeah, if you had bought like here, it would have been 20x. You'd be up like 20x right now. Wow. Congratulations, Matthew Dropko. Yeah, I saw Pepe got listed on Coinbase and Solana. Pepe got listed on Coinbase and Robinhood. Robinhood listed XRP, Solana, XRP, Solana, Pepe, and I think that's it because I got an email. I think I used them a long time ago when I had like 3 million Dogecoin at 1/10 of a penny. Oh no, I would have been done. I would have been out. Had like $50 million. That stings. What was the other coin? PNG. So taking a look at PNG for Dequarius all day. So yeah, unfortunately PNG is still consolidating in resistance. Every single time we go below 22 cents, we do get a nice little pullback, nice little pop back up. Keep in mind we do have resistance, which obviously is, you know, it's validated since August. So for the last 3 months. Yeah, so we've literally been stuck in resistance this entire time. So I'd say, you know, the target at 18, 17 cents is still valid in terms of support goes. So worst case scenario, if we do get a breakdown, then 18 cents is the next area that, you know, we might get to. And on the way up, 23 to 30 cents is strong resistance that we've been literally struggling to get over for the last 3 months. And once that breaks, I'd put the target up to 81 cents again. And once that breaks PNG to the moon, I think the next target on the macro time frame is $1.34. So not financial advice, just my opinion. I can't complain about selling my Doge for Bonk and more SHIB a month ago. Yeah, I mean, Bonk's doing pretty good, right? Yeah, Bonk's doing pretty good. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait until my coin does this. And I know people are like, well, is your coin going to do that? Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. Another 148% pump. Congratulations. Yeah, Bonk is headed to previous highs. As long as it stays over the 618, then you're looking at 301, which as of today is going to be around a 2x. So congratulations. 2x would put the market cap at 6 billion. So it has plenty more to grow from there. So congratulations. Bitcoin's still at 90,000. I mean, we really need to stay over 86 to 87. Continuation in 95 is in play. Let's look at the RSI. We actually haven't looked at the RSI. Yeah, of course. We were in the green. We had a correction. We were in the green. We had a correction. Let's see how big this correction was. Right? 5%, which is nothing. And then this correction was, I guess, 5%. So it's kind of even. Every single time it went overbought. So yeah, we'll see. Same with Dogecoin. Let's look at the I guess the 30-minute RSI, right? Because this thing's been literally overbought like 6 times in the last 7 days. So yeah, high at 75 cents. And then we're looking at up to $4. And that thing is going to come fast. And it's going to go back down just as fast. So you guys better have your sell orders in play. Oh no. Oh, that's unfortunate. Even another coin, like I've been looking at coins on Gemini, and like, what is this coin? GeoJam? Like, this is a super small market cap. It's 3.5 million or whatever. And how is it that it's like, is this coin a scam coin or something? Does anybody know anything about this coin? I mean, I know it's not Dogecoin or Bitcoin, but does anybody know anything about GeoJam? Because like, it's not even listed on that many places. So it seems like such a gamble coin, but a gamble coin that actually might go parabolic. So, I mean, maybe this is a good gamble play. But this is what the problem is. It like literally dropped by 50% overnight. So we just don't know. I don't want it to end up like UPI, right? Do you guys remember this? They listed this last bull run on Coinbase and it absolutely went to zero. $74K market cap. That's unfortunate. Oh yeah, we were gonna look at Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, so taking a look at BTC dominance. Let's see where it's at. Oh no, we made a higher high, or relatively a higher high, but yeah, we need to. I was really hoping this is. I was really hoping this was it, and we were just gonna nosedive. I was really hoping we would get something like this, but it didn't happen. But maybe this is it. You know, maybe like this is it. We're getting very close. I think we're probably gonna get like some move up, like this, where we go up. So we got to move down, and this is where we go up. I don't think it's gonna go that high. Probably like 65%, and then we're basically gonna start making our descent. We're getting ready to land. Yeah, 61% Bitcoin dominance right now. Oh, that is no good. And then if you look at USDT dominance, then most likely it's going down, right? And when Bitcoin starts dropping, then USDT dominance is going to go up. And then altcoins are going to go up. So that's really what we're waiting for. Yeah, USDT dominance is going way down because Bitcoin's pumping right now. Louis the Cool, what's up? Welcome to the end of the live stream. I'm just joking. It's not the end of the live stream. But can you look at Mao just rug pull? I'm have some. Oh no, did someone get rug pulled on the stream? Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got, oh no. Louis the Cool. Or yeah, Louis the Cool. That is unfortunate, man. That is not good. Yeah, sorry about that. That's pretty bad. Yeah, literally in 2 days it literally rugged. Yeah, so I'd say yeah, that's pretty bad. It does still have 277,000 liquidity locked. So it might not be over, and keep in mind that it's a 40x back up to its all-time high. So just keep in mind that, you know, $100 is like $4,000 if it goes back up to its all-time high. So I'm not saying I would necessarily gamble with it, but I'm pretty sure some people will gamble on this coin, and that's probably what's going to happen with this coin. Because if you look down here, there's no issues. Ownership was renounced. There's no buy and sell tax. Actually, it's 0.01%. It doesn't have any like blacklist, any anti-whale features or anything like that. And on the token sniffer, it's 100 out of 100. So, I mean, this literally has all the green check marks. But also keep in mind, in the last 6 hours, it In the last 24 hours, it went down 94%. So if you had $1,000, you're at 60 bucks. I'd rather go to the casino and actually enjoy losing. I mean, yeah, it looked like it rugged, basically. But I'm sorry to I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for your loss. Dojo on Mars is breaking down. We need to hold over 6.20, otherwise we're probably going to go back down to the lows, which is going to actually say that which is actually going to like piss off or upset a lot of people, and a lot of people are going to be like, wow, it's a scam, blah 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 blah. But it's not. I don't think so, and I don't think it's going to go all the way back down. It might even come back and bounce from the moving average. So you're welcome, Alexio. Thank you for asking for a coin. I appreciate it. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 90K. Let's go. Well, actually, over here it's at 89,300. So, yeah, sorry, Louis the Cool. But whenever you feel bad, just remember that someone sold. If you ever feel bad, just remember that someone sold this coin right here, and it went up 50x. So just remember that someone's always having a worse day than you. Because they could have been done, but I could have been done if I had bought this. That would have been good game. Oh, X account has been deleted? Oh no, yeah, dude. Oh my gosh, that's so unfortunate. Yeah, that's a... What's up, Aloe? Welcome to the mid of the live stream. Welcome to the middle of the live stream. So we're watching somebody, someone just got rugged, and they deleted their Twitter and they deleted their website. So, and I hope you didn't have a lot of money. I hope you didn't have a lot of money in there. Louis the Cool, is there a chance it will bounce back, but all the checked are good? I mean, maybe, but how much money did you have in there? Like, did you have all your money in there? FGM, R trades, is that a coin? FGM, is that a coin? Good evening, brother. Hope you're doing well. What's up, Aloe? How are you? Oh, I already know you want me to look at GST, huh? Let's take a look at GST. See, the thing is, I don't have that many streamers, or sorry, I don't have that many watchers. I have like 45 people at peak, I think, concurrent. What do you call it? Concurrent viewers. So that means that I actually can remember what coins to look at. So yeah, GST is looking pretty good. Wait, you had $2,000 in it, and then how much is it now? So from the high to the low, yeah, it's not doing anything. So as long as it stays over the 236 though at 18, then you're looking at 27. So we just have to. You just have to wait. You just have to wait until this thing, goes parabolic and gets past over 2 cents 70. We're really looking for a big move up like this again, but we're just gonna have to wait and see when that happens. But so far so good. Hey, Louis the Cool, how much is your 2K worth right now? Because like, did you buy like at the top, or did you buy like down here and it's back down to 2K? FGM. Well, I mean, it's gamble coin, but taking a look at this gamble coin. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh. Louis the Cool. Oh no. It breaks my heart that you just lost $1,900. Oh no, that's pretty bad. I would just hold it, man. Honestly, I would just hold it at this point. Louis the Cool, I know you're looking for hope right now, but like the truth is, like, just don't ask anyone. And I need, like, you need to probably make that decision yourself and just hold it. And if it comes back, because $100 isn't gonna make or break you. You already lost all of it. So if I put in $2,000 and if it goes down $100, like, what's the point of even taking it out? Just leave it, and if it comes back, then it's a miracle. And if it doesn't, then you already lost all of it anyway, because by the time you switch it out and you exchange it, and then the Ethereum fees or whatever this is on, yeah, Ethereum, it's not going to even be $100. It's not going to even be worth buying another coin. So I would just hold it if I were you. Yeah, feels good, man. Let's see. Taking a look at Feels Good Man, another coin that it looks like I missed out on. Oh wow, this thing's running. So from the high to the low, once we break the high, then you are looking at making a higher high at around 305. As you know, this is a gamble coin. As long as it stays over the 236, hold on. Yeah, as long as it holds over this box, then everything is still valid. So as long as it stays over 4042 to 4051, you are looking at the retest of the high. Once that breaks, you're looking at 3057. Obviously, you know this is a gamble coin. That is around 8x, which just put the market cap around 32 million. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And then math for Eric, right? No, I think look, like, here, every single time, you know, people say that, Eric, you gotta, all right, let me show you something. So the thing is that with math, this thing is first of all, on the year, it's already up 157%. So you should have been accumulating during the entire of the bear market, which was literally a range of 12 cents to 15 cents, right? If you accumulated there, then you would already be up more, like around 2x, right? But also on top of that, math had a huge run. Math had a huge run, and it's still up. Like, you know, from this low to the high, it went up. It already 12x. So even if you put $1,000, and if you didn't sell $12,000, then, you know, that's on you. How much money are you expecting to get out of this, right? And how much money did you invest? Well, don't tell me, but I'm just saying, like, you have to ask yourself those questions, right? And sell whenever, you know, you feel like you want to sell. But also, don't buy when we're already up like 10x or 5x. You really want to buy when you're accumulating and when you're basically falling off the table. So math, this doesn't look bad. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that this doesn't look bad at all. You're still holding this floor. You're consolidating over this level, which I think is the 236, right? So from the high to the low, it is a 236. So you're still on point, consolidating over the 236. Oops. So yeah, I mean, it's still, anything over 15 cents, it's still bullish, right? So even if we break down and if we hold 15 cents, then it's still bullish. You're still forming a floor, and then you're getting a structure kind of like what Jasmine has right now. And Jasmine, in my opinion, is very bullish because it's over its macro 382. So if we look at Jasmine, for example, it's literally, you know, math, but a little bit better than math, because clearly we've established some sort of floor, which does put us over the macro 382, right? So math isn't that bad relative to any other coins. Like you gotta think about it. Like for example, for even Spell Token, right? Spell Token's a pretty big coin, and Spell Token's all the way down here. It still has, you know, if I show you the same chart and overlay it with, well, actually maybe I can overlay it with math, then you know math is a lot higher, right? You see how math is outperforming. So math is 208% relative to Spell Token's 41%, right? And then like, you know, and we could just keep going on, but I don't think that math is a bad play. It is also a relatively small market cap. It's 29 million. So it does have a lot of potential. And just keep in mind that like even $1 would put it at 200 million market cap, fully diluted. So I think it's very possible. I think that given that this coin was $2.60, I do think we probably go retest at least $1 to $2.60, if not higher. But that's what I think. 100% I will hold it and see what happens later. Or Louis, you can get, let's see. Or Louis, you can get that 100 and just put it in something that can get you a safer 20x. Man, 20x is really, really, really optimistic, man. It's really hard to get a 20x, yet alone actually hold it until you get a 20x. My average on math is around 25 cents. Yeah, then you should be fine. If your average is 25 cents, when math turns bullish again, which is probably going to be within the next 6 months, not financial advice, that's personally when I would get out in the next 6 months. You just gotta be patient, right? It's 6 months. It's not like tomorrow. It's 6 months. But you're gonna have tomorrow to get out, right? So you only really have like, and you know, when it goes up, and you only have like a certain amount of time before we, you know, if you didn't get out here, you had like 2 weeks to get out before we started capitulating. So, yeah, I think 25 cents is a solid average though. I was hoping you would be closer to 20, like 15 to 20 cents, given that we were down here at 6-7 cents. But it doesn't matter. I mean, 25 cents is not that bad. Yeah, that's why I bought GST, because it was literally at the bottom and they're buying it back. Yeah, exactly. Just more upside than coins that already pumped. Exactly. So like, I mean, at this point, GST is already up too much for me. So even for example, GST, you know, we're already, you know, from the all-time lows, which was a year ago, was 133%. Relative to my coin, and I love using my coin as an example because it sucks, it's only up 50%. So there's a lot of coins that haven't really ran yet. GST being one of them, Math already had a little run, but the alt season hasn't even started yet. Am I banned? I think, yeah, he said he banned you. Yeah, Gear had said, yeah, he said he banned you, fool. Get back to work. Eric for the 5 centos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the 5 beans. Thank you very much. My average on math is 25 cents, so I'm like even on my money. Yeah, just keep in mind for math, we do have supports at the previous floor, which I mentioned. And then in terms of support goes on the macro time frame, it is going to be, yeah, so this 16 cents does coincide with the 236 from the high to the low. So I would say that as long as it stays over this area, then then you should be fine. So you might go down a little bit in terms of your portfolio. That's fine. We've all been there. And you know, you're really gambling on the fact that that is the floor. If we do go down that low, you know, the math bull run will start theoretically if we do hold this area. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Okay, whatever. LOL. Meow super chat's not working. What do you mean? My super chat's working. I've received 2 super chats so far. And a membership. And Casey Peterson gave somebody a membership, like donated a membership to someone. So it works. Let's keep an eye on DOGECOIN. You're trying to send a super chat? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, no, it's if you scroll up. No, I didn't ban you. If you scroll up, you could see that I've received super chats. A gearhead. Bull runs over jabronis? No way. No way, man. Dude, if this bull runs over, man, I'm screwed because I can't wait another 4 years for OXT to take more money out of my pocket. Yeah, I mean, it's super hard also trying to explain it because I'm in Vision's chat all the time and I'm like, hey, like, as a joke, I'm bored. I'm like, hey, I'm going to sell. We all have our game plans, or I don't know if some people might actually genuinely ask, but I'm like, oh, hey, I'm going to, sell my OXT or blah, blah, blah. But I'm never going to, like, I'm going to wait to get my money back on OXT. And if Dogelon Mars is still where it's at, then I'll rotate that money into Dogelon Mars. If it never happens for me, then it never happens for me. Unfortunately, I have to wait until OXT goes up. I think it's going to go up. And I'm going to be a hodler. Hodl. And yeah, that's pretty much it. No ifs, ands, or buts. And we're just going to have to take it from there. Gala faked out to 3 cents. I'm back in the shadow realm. Dogelon stuck at 0.00. Yeah. Dogelon is literally like on life support right now. If 6/0's20 breaks, we're probably going to break down and if we don't bounce from the moving average, then I'd say we're cooked. I'd say we're literally cooked. So if these cross, it's going to be super bearish. So not financial advice, just my opinion. GE, it keeps saying message not sent. What? That's weird. I don't know why it says that. You're not banned. Yeah, you're not banned. And plus, I get to see, if you're banned, I wouldn't see your messages. But it's okay. I really do. I appreciate the gesture, and I appreciate you trying to super chat me. Let me know what coin you want me to look at for you. I'll still look at it for you anyway. So don't worry about the super chat. I do appreciate you trying to send it to me, and I'll still look at your coin. So just let me know. How's Grago looking? I don't know. Let's take a look at it. Grago. Is it Matt Fury? Yes, Matt Fury token. Yeah, we're breaking out. Red alert. So it looks like we came down. We tagged. So whoever picked up at 1 cent 30, congratulations, because we were literally talking about this last night. It looks like we're breaking over 2 cents 20. So it looks like 8 cents is in play right now. So congratulations. Thank you so much for the. Oh wait, no, you didn't super chat me, but thank you so much for commenting. I thought you super chatted me. And I'm not saying that because, yeah. That's Grago. Okay. And then, did you, let me try. Gala faked out to 3 cents battle. Okay, so I'll take a look at Gala. I'll take a look at, oh, we got two new people. Wi-Fi, Gala. Took a look at Grago. Hello, Mr. Meow. Can you take a look into Pepe Mudang for me? That PYGMY hippo is the one only who done me right. Oh no. Yeah, let's take a look at Pepe. Well, Pepe is just, we're going to the moon, so there's really nothing to look at Pepe here. Pepe's next target is going to be on the macro time frame, the 1618 from the previous high to the low, which does put Pepe at around 4033. And then in terms of support goes, we are, as long as we stay over this box on the macro time frame, it is still bullish. Keep in mind that the drawdown on this is going to be a correction of around 30%. So as long as this box holds, then we are looking at a continuation up to 403. And then you said Mudang. Let's take a look at Mudang. I'm assuming you mean Mooding on Solana because I actually looked at this for you. Oh, hey, look, our box held, or sorry, our box, we broke out, we held support, and we are retesting the previous high. We broke out, and then we came back down, tested as support, now we're getting bounced. So, yeah, congratulations on this. You're making money, Roberto, right? Yeah, congratulations, Roberto. So, from this low, we have to redraw our areas of support at this point, so it does coincide with that, 382. So I'd say very bullish as long as it stays over 29 to 33 cents, which is at 34 cents. 98 cents is in play right now, which as of today is around 100%, 80% pump. Keep in mind that is going to put the market cap around 700 million. If this box doesn't hold, just keep in mind we are going to get a bigger capitulation down, and at that point this area of support at around 17 cents needs to hold. I know that's a big drop. That's worst case scenario. I'm just putting that there just in case. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Oh, GE for 10. Thank you so much. Let me know what you want me to look at for you. Oh, you wrote. Thank you so much for the super chats. I really appreciate that. Yes, super chats. Let's go. Thank you guys so much. That's awesome, guys. Thank you. Prime. Oh, I missed out on Prime. And then Carrot. I think Carrot had a nice move up. So taking a look at Prime for GE. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really do appreciate that. Yeah, so it already went up like huge, and then now it's consolidating sideways. Let's take a look at Prime for you on Coinbase. Yeah, I remember, I don't know if I told you, I remember when this coin came out, I knew it was going to dump. I didn't think it was going to actually go to the moon. So congratulations on that. For Prime, we have targets. We need to break $9.31. Once that breaks, you're looking at next resistance, little to no resistance, to $11.43. Once that breaks, I'd say to the moon. In terms of areas of support go and the areas that it absolutely needs to stay over, $7.06 absolutely needs to hold, and then we're looking at bullish on the shorter time frame as long as it stays over $8.40. So if we get some sort of bounce from here, and if we break out eventually, we're going to get something like this where we get a huge breakout. However, if this area of support doesn't hold, then 706 does need to hold, because technically you're still making higher lows. And once these areas of resistance breaks, because all of these targets are still valid, if we do get a bounce from 706, then you are looking at 1143, and then from there to the moon. So that's pretty much it for Prime. And then for Carrot, did you know that carrots are good for your eyes? I didn't, and now I'm going blind. So Carrot, yeah, Carrot had a nice move. Let me see if I can find a bigger graph. Oh yeah, this is the full graph. So for Carrot, I do think it is bullish. Yeah, it is macro bullish. We did come down and retest the 382 at around 46 cents. We are experiencing resistance at 56 cents. Once that breaks, you're looking at 68 cents next. So just keep in mind that as long as it stays over 46 cents, it's macro bullish, and the next target is going to be 56 cents. Once that breaks, you're looking at 68 cents, and then once this breaks, then you're going to get full send. It's going to full send basically. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. And thank you so much for the super chat. I really do appreciate that. Roberto, thank you so much for the super chat. That's awesome. Let me know if I looked at all your guys' coins. I really do appreciate that. I can only send it if I don't write anything. So weird. Yeah, that is pretty weird. I wonder why that is. So yeah, because you maybe, yeah, that's interesting. Huh. Gearhead, super chats are piling in full. Yes. Haha, carrot are for your eyes, you're funny. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hey man, I didn't, you know, apparently carrots are good for your eyes. So that's what I heard. Haha, carrots. And I'm sending another 5 in for putting the word for me and asking. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, GE. I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. I will. Thank you so much for the super chat, and let me know what else you want me to look at for you. That's amazing. I'm speechless. That's like $15. So I really do appreciate that. And then tomorrow, or if he goes live again tonight, I'll definitely see if I can get you unbanned, or I'll definitely mention you again. I'll just say, hey, you know, he sends super chats, and I'm sure you want some super chats, man. Imagine. But no, yeah, like I'll definitely I'll do that for you. I'll mention it again for you. I do appreciate the super chats. That's awesome. You didn't even have to do that, so thank you for that. Oh, MF Mace, can you check Neon EVM? I think you asked me already, but I'm getting super chats, so I'm sorry. Neon EVM, taking a look at Neon EVM for Mr. Mace. I know I don't have to, but I'm going to. You know, it's hard because when I asked him and he responded, I said it again. I was like, maybe it was a mistake or whatever, but there's so many messages that go by because he has like 1,000 people in there that he doesn't see all of it. So maybe there was just a misunderstanding, or maybe he did ban you on accident, right? Or I mean, Gearhead, do you know? Did he write something afterwards that I missed? Taking a look at Gearhead, if you want to answer that, that'll be great. Because I don't know. I didn't. All I heard was like, oh, you know, that name looks familiar. I might have banned him, but he wasn't sure. Taking a look at Neon EVM for the gentleman who asked for it. So unfortunately, nothing's bullish with Neon EVM until we break the 236 at 50 cents. Once we break that, your next target is 75 cents. Little to no resistance to 75 cents, which is a 382 from the high to the low. In terms of support goes, clearly this is, yeah, so we don't have any more support until, yeah, 16 cents, but that's, I guess we'll do this, and it would be the 618, yeah, so we would do 27 cents and then 16 cents, worst case scenario, bigger capitulation down, so. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for Neon EVM. As long as it stays over 27 cents, you do have the potential of consolidating for a while, which you really do need to do because you are currently in this downtrend. So what we really want to see is if we don't move up from here and break this downtrend and be macro and have an uptrend forming on the macro time frame, then you do really want to see us stay over 27 cents. And then this area of resistance is still valid at 49 to 75 cents. Once that breaks, I'd say Neon EVM to the moon. Keep in mind, we can also come up, tag it, and still get rejected. And then we would just move the downtrend like this, right? So very bearish. Again, we need to get over and stay over 75 cents. So no financial advice, just my opinion. Could you look at Algo? Well, I have to look at Gearhead wants Gala. So I'll take a look at Gearhead. Oh, let's take a look at Gearhead. I'll take a look at Gala. It's because they both have G's in it. Could you look at Algorand and Vet, my guy? Yes, I can. So let's take a look at Gala first. Wait, did I already look at Gala? I don't know if I did. Oh, it's not doing anything. Yeah, so same old with Gala from the high to the low. Nothing's bullish until we break 3 cents 33. It looks like we had a nice wick up to 3 cents, but we got rejected. We didn't even get to resistance and we got rejected, so it's pretty bearish. From the high to the low, we also did not close over the 382. So we really need to get, oh, actually we're at it. So this is do or die right now for Gala. So we need to get over this so that we don't consolidate in resistance. I mean, we'll take that anyway, but we'll be bullish in the shorter time frame from the high to the low, as long as we break 2 cents 70. So 33 is next, and once that breaks, it'll go to the moon. So not financial advice. Let's look at Algo. Yeah, Algo sucks. I'm sorry to say that, but this is like my coin. It's actually doing better than my coin though. 64%. Yeah, that's how you know, man. OXT is up 50%. Algo's up 64%. Now, it's not to say that it's never going to run, but just keep in mind that you probably have to wait until Bitcoin dominance drops for algo. So taking a look at algo for Mr. Roberto, from the high to the low, from the east to the west, nothing's bullish until we break 19 cents. Once that breaks, little to no resistance to 32 cents. So we've already had this move where we actually got rejected, came down, tagged 382, got rejected. So as of right now, it looks like we're just consolidating sideways, and we're just waiting for that blow off top to happen and algo to the moon. But I mean, yeah, you're still 20x away from that. So can algo 20x? That does put the market cap at 20 million. Has it ever been 20 million? No, it hasn't. It's been 10 billion though. Sorry, billion. It's been, oh, so they released coins. That's what it was. Yeah, you could clearly see they've been releasing coins because the market cap relative to the price, obviously the price is going down and the market cap is actually staying sideways. So they are releasing coins. So yeah, that's pretty much it on algo. These are the targets. And then in terms of your other guy, what's that? Vet? Oh, VeChain? Oh, that's a new one. Wait a minute. Yeah, taking a look at VeChain. Oh, VeChain had a nice move. So from the high to the low. Oh, we got rejected. Yeah, so nothing's bullish. Same story. Nothing's bullish until we break the 236. Once that breaks, little to no resistance to 4 cents 26. Keep in mind that is around a 68% pump from the current price. We can come up and still get rejected, so just keep that in mind too. In terms of support goes, we don't have any more support. Oh wait, we do. We have the 786. So we have support at 1 cent 83. If that breaks, then we're probably going to go back down and clearly to the lows. And clearly keep in mind that we are in this downtrend. But also we are forming, I mean, we are in a macro downtrend too. So, yeah. So basically what I'm trying to say is this isn't bullish at all. But that can change. We can get a giant green candle and it could change your life and it could change everything. So that's what we're hoping for. No financial advice, just my opinion. Let's see. I know Gala ain't doing nothing. That's why I'm back to work. I'll see you next halving. Yeah, seriously, man. I mean, hold on. Gala's, what did we say though? No, Gearhead. We said that Gala, this is gonna run, but just not yet, right? But remember, they released coins. What did you say you were gonna sell at? Yeah, so you're gonna sell at, or you're gonna start at 16 cents, right? So what is that? Just keep in mind. Okay, so that's 5x. That puts the market cap at 5 billion, and then if you do the market cap here, you see how the market cap is 5 billion. So you're banking on the fact that the market cap is going to double top while the price is going to actually be lower. So given that everything remains constant, conservatively speaking, you know what, whatever. You know, I can't even, I would just play it a little bit differently, but 16 cents is I would be too scared to sell at 16 cents. I would probably start selling at 10 cents, but that's just me. Not financial advice, just my opinion. But yeah, the problem is that with this, you know, it's 5 billion market, double top market cap. It could also make a higher market cap. So a 10x would be 34 cents, and a 10x would put the market cap at 10 billion, which isn't uncommon too. So yeah, we'll see. Eric, Myro next stop. I'll take a look at Myro for you. I think that's what you're asking, right? Algo never moves. Know the feeling. Yes, I know the feeling too. I'll just wait like the rest of our debt coins, waiting for dominance to fall off a cliff. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm doing. I have to do that too. Myro next stop. I'll take a look at that. Haha. Yeah, I'm new. My friend got me into crypto. Oh, your friend ruined your life. Basically, that's what you're saying. He's sitting on 3 billion Pepe coins, and he's like, boom, GoCoin and GoCoin and Catcoin. But then I started looking at YouTube videos. I bought XRP, Algo, and VeChain. Yeah, XRP is not like XRP is a very solid blue chip, boring coin. So you didn't do bad. I'll go. That's a little bit more gambling. That's like my OXT. And then VeChain, I know nothing about, but I know I've heard good stuff about it. So I hope VeChain goes up. I mean, last market cycle, see, it's at 2 billion. Last market cycle, it hit 25 cents, and the market cap was around 15 billion. So yeah, I mean, it's not like it can 10x. So if it 10x's from here, it'll be at 25 cents again with 20 billion market cap. So it's not. It's not uncommon. Yeah, Gearhead. I'm not gonna do that now. Now I've already missed it. I'm not gonna. I needed to do that like 2-3 months ago. I'm not gonna do that now. Now it's about to be utility coins churn. We're about to see BAT go up. We're about to see OXT go up. We're about to see all these other utility coins go up. This would be the worst time to rotate. I'll give it like another month. I want to say in the next month, OXT should be over 20 cents. And I don't know. We'll see what happens. I do appreciate the advice. I'm learning in the market. Yeah, thank you so much. And thank you for always stopping by and super chatting and hanging out and being a member. So thank you for that. I appreciate that. That's awesome. Utilities will move, not just like they used to. Still solid ones that will have their churns. Exactly. They'll have, like, I already know they're going to have their churn. I already know that utility coins will have their churns. So that's why I don't want to sell, because I know that, you know, oh, we're going back down, guys. I don't want to sell the bottom, you know. And plus, my coin hasn't even done anything, so there's no way I'm selling. OXT, 5,000 liquidity. Let's check the weekly. Yeah, look how bullish this coin looks. Oh, Eric. Myro's next leg up or down? Let's see. Myro's next leg up. Well, Myro's actually bullish. Next leg up is 20 cents. So next leg up is 20 cents as long as it stays over 9 cents to 12 cents. So we have this box needs to hold, and then when it breaks over 20 cents, then we have to redraw all the targets down here. So as of right now, everything's solid. Everything stayed intact. Actually, we could delete this because I thought that we were going to get something like this, where we come down, make a lower low, and then we were going to validate this downtrend. But as of right now, you can see we actually broke out of this downtrend. So we can actually get rid of this. So we're not making a higher low. This box needs to hold. So I'm going to delete this when we do break 20 cents. When 20 cents breaks, we're looking at 29 and 46, and then, you know, all-time high 158. And these are all targets. So you have to decide at what point you want to sell. I got to get some water. Give me a second. Oh, do you want that? I wonder if you guys can see. I wonder if you guys can see my cat. Oh no, you can't see my cat. I need to yeah, I need to get like I'm gonna get a cat tower next time. Like when we move, I'm gonna have a cat tower next to me, and that way we can actually have the cats on the stream, and then we can ask the cats where Myro's going. Yeah, because utilities will move. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because Dino coins, LOL, and utility, once the government utilizes this stuff, I figure Flare, Orca, they will be used. Memes definitely taking a lot market share. Yeah, exactly. Memes are taking a lot of the market share right now. Yeah, not selling, just going about my days and buying more. Exactly, same here. OXT, LOL. Hey, that's my coin. you gotta respect the coin. You gotta show some love to OXT, because oh my god, we're in the 500s now. Dude, we used to be like in the 200s, and then we went to 300, and then we went to 400, and now we're 500. Oh wow. Oh wow, I don't even have it on my watch list. Dude, that's so bad. I didn't even have it on my watch list. Imagine that. How about Alice? LMAO, I just bought it because it sounded funny. What's Alice? Wait, is this on Coinbase? Like Alice in Wonderland? Alright, so the coin was $20. The market cap was peaked at 721 million. It does look like it's almost fully diluted, and it looks like they haven't released any more coins. No, wait, never mind, they did. But it is almost fully diluted at 100 million. So yeah, so you're looking, actually 20x would put the market cap back at 2 billion. So the market, oh yeah, never mind. So if it's $23, that's 23x. So that puts it at so yeah, that puts it at 1.4 billion, 1.5 billion. So it's going to double the market cap. The market cap's going to be double, but the price is going to be the same. That's not too crazy though. I'm not saying that to scare you, because it's already super low circulation supply. Like literally it's only 100 million coins, so these coins can run really hard. And then yeah, let's take a look at that for you. So taking a look at Alice, so far so good. It looks like we're consolidating, so we're trying to break out of this downtrend. So that's not bad. Nothing's bullish with Alice until we break $1.56. Once that breaks, you are looking at retesting the 382 at 272. So you can clearly see we actually attempted to break out twice and we got rejected. So I guess third time is the charm. Once 277 breaks, then you are looking at the Alice bull run starting. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. For any worst case scenario, obviously Bitcoin is breaking down right now, which isn't good. But if we do break down, we do need to hold this floor. There's no more support until this low. And if that doesn't hold, then you're just looking at something like this where we keep falling and then we try again, basically. So yeah, not financial advice, just my opinion. Gear, you hold all memes. A cat tower and a crypto watch. Yes. More cat tower, but yeah, a crypto watch would be sick. I'm surprised they don't have that. I think there's just like the older generation. It's just like they're bricks, right? Like our generation is like, oh, crypto, NFTs. Like a lot of old people don't even know what NFTs are, right? So I think that's something that we can capitalize on, and we kind of have to, because every single generation has their thing that they can capitalize on. So ours is like, oh, YouTube, like streaming, videos, ad revenue, super chats, merch, online merch, things like that. So I think it's very interesting that watches, there's no incorporation with market watch and watches. Like you can have a watch do I don't know, you could just have cool designs, even crypto designs. Why not? Time is money. Why can't crypto be time? Time is crypto, right? Knowing I will buy just a little for you, 1G worth. You'll buy what though? Wait, you're buying a meme coin? GE, what are you buying? Knowing Elon Doge watch? Yeah, you could even do that. Doge on Mars watch, why not? Like you could have it engraved on the back. Like you could have custom watches and have like the crypto engraved on the back. And they don't have to be cheap watches, they could be nice watches. How do you feel about Nero, ETH, or Pseudo? Well, that's a good question. I think Nero, the one that's listed on Coinbase, yeah, I think you can get a 10x out of OXT, but like not financial advice. But also, like, keep in mind, here are my targets for OXT, just so you know. I mean, if you actually buy OXT, RIP. But like, first of all, don't do it. Basically, don't do it. It's super gamble. I don't even know like what's gonna happen with it, but I'm too far in to like quit, so I'm not gonna quit. So from the high to the low, you got 10 cents, 15 cents, 21 cents, 31 cents, 51 cents, which actually is around a 10x from the current price. It's around a 7.5x. And then you're looking at a, what, 20x? No, 13x back up to its all-time high. So it's not impossible. I'm a DGen. I think it's going to go to like anywhere between $1 and $6, so I'm going to sell some in between. But I mean, it's very like conservative. I like this because it's very like predictable in my opinion. Like this, like literally the bull run was here, and then this is the bear market, and then literally we're about to have a bull run. And if I can manage to hit all my sell targets and make my money back, and then let the rest ride just in case it does it, then it's a win-win for me. But that's just the thing. We just don't know if it's gonna happen. So I've been in OXT since here, dude. Like literally since here. Like I bought here, 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 I bought here. I did not buy here because I'm dumb and I should have. And then 7 cents 40. So here. Bought here. So I'm like really down. So just FYI. And it's justified, right? Because like I had this entire time to sell. So like even if like this position I was up like 3x and I didn't sell. No, don't buy OXT, guys. I just always have to look at it on stream because oh no, we're going down. Oh no. Looking at Bitcoin on the minute chart. No, just seriously guys, it's I don't think it's worth it. Like just I would just you guys do what you guys want to do. This is just my coin. And then Doge on Mars, obviously. Doge on Mars is having a breakdown too, though. Nero, that's right. You wanted me to look at Nero for you. Sorry, I got distracted. Nero. This is the one that got listed on Binance, right? Yeah, so we have a graph for this, actually. So we are over the line right now. So we are over 2023. As long as we stay over that, 2035 is in play, and then 2066, which as of today is around a 50% pump, and then 160% pump. Keep in mind that because like this is already a $1 billion market cap, so you're looking at 1.5 billion to 2.6 billion dollars. That's what I think about. Yeah, that's what I think about that. And then I don't know what your other coin was, but let me know. It's too late. Gonna buy OXT also. I mean, if anybody's gonna buy OXT, it would literally be now, right? Like, it's literally at the lows. So, I mean, wait, where's the RSI though? Yeah, RSI is like kind of neutral right now, so I would wait until we get like a massive sell-off and we come back down to this low. If it does that, I'm forced to. I'm probably just gonna buy another $1,000 because at that point, that $1,000 is gonna be like 20 grand. So I might as well do that. Like I'm actually gonna do that if it actually goes down that low, because why not at this point? But dude, watch, it gets like delisted on everything. But they actually just listed it on. They actually just listed this coin on Upbit, or it was a Korean exchange. Yeah, like this. South Korea's largest exchange, Upbit, has announced the listing of 12 digital assets, and then OXT is one of them. So it's not like it's doing bad, and it's on a lot of like central exchanges. So I think it's on Webull. Like, come on, it's literally on Webull. So for the ones that are in the States, you know how big Webull is. So I think it's a no-brainer, but we'll just have to wait and see. Wait, you bought at the top but not the bottom? Yeah, I know. Yes. It's because I didn't want. Yeah, I know you're judging me right now, but we've all done it. You've done it too. Don't lie. Let's see. Robin, it's what's up, Jay? How are you, man? Oh, I already looked at spell token, but I already know you're here for that. So, first of all, so far so good. We're not looking bad on spell. We're up 4% on the day. Let's see. Robinhood listing felt toppy AF. When does our Robinhood ever list coins? Well, when they're trying to make money on the trades. So, can you tell me what coin? What do you mean? Is felt toppy AF a coin? Is that all one coin, or is that three different coins? Also, I didn't get the email for that. I only got the email for Solana, XRP, and Pepe. And of course, tell the wife after, not before. Haha, exactly. Just give me a good entry. I'll buy 15 grand. Damn. I mean, that's like really nothing. What is that going to get? That's not nothing, but like, damn, 15 grand. You can make, how much can you make with that? 150K back up to its all-time high. That's crazy. I'll take a look at Turbo for you, bro. I've just done it today, so yeah, no hate. Yeah, you get it, like, right? Like, there's just like, there's nothing I can say. And that was years ago. That was and when you're in the moment, you think it's just gonna keep going up. So like, for example, for people that are in Dogecoin right now and they're buying right now, they're gonna, like, if in case we come all the way back down, they're gonna be like, oh man, I bought here, I didn't sell this, and then now I'm like down. So we all know how it works. Have you looked at Turbo? Yes, I'll take a look at that for you, bro. Oh yeah, felt toppy meaning local top. Oh, felt toppy meaning local top. That's the point. LOL. Oh, you want 50? Oh man. I don't want to tell you to buy OXD. I just feel like I just feel like I can't, like, I'm so down on it where it's like I would say stay away from it. That's honestly my advice to you. But if I make it, that's great. That's awesome, and you'll probably be like, hey, I should have bought it. But you got to make that decision yourself. There's so many other coins that you could buy. Buy Dogecoin? No. Yeah, buy Dogecoin when it's up like 600% on the month. Okay, let's take a look at spell token for Jay, because Jay Music's here, and all he does is comment on my videos, which I really do appreciate, and he's very consistent. Mr. J, everyone give him a round of applause for the consistency and his belief in spell token, which does look like it's coming true. But Jay, we have resistance the entire way up, unfortunately, so nothing's bullish, but I do have some slight hopium for you. So on the macro time frame, nothing's bullish until we break 3 zeros 96, which we already knew that, 2 zeros 18, which we already knew that. Keep in mind that we are over the 236, so that is holding as support right now. Keep in mind, from the local high to the low, we are also over the 382. So in the short-term time frame, what that means is that we're actually attempting to break out and be bullish. So I say that if we stay over this box at 7, so 307, which we already knew, we are retesting the 236 at 3 zeros 96. Once that breaks, I say spell token retesting 2 zeros 18 up to 2 zeros 18, and then from there you have like 2 weeks to get out. And then on the way down, you're looking at 3 zeros 56 needing to hold. Worst case scenario, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. So far so good. We're in the box. We're actually over the box, so we have a shot. We have a shot, and this is it. So we'll see what happens. And then pseudo swap. I'll take a look at that for you, because you have price exhaustion. What does that mean? What does price exhaustion mean? We thank you for OXT. Yeah, I have that up because right now I have this up because not only I don't have any apps on my phone because it's super unhealthy to always look at your phone, so I deleted all of them. But also I have this up because I'm not lying when I said that I am waiting for it to go in the red so I can actually not miss this opportunity to buy a little bit more. So I'm just waiting for it to, if we get like a big push down, it's going to wreck certain altcoins, and I'm really hoping that the RSI comes in the red and gives me the opportunity to buy again, and then we go up from there, but we'll see. We got a shot at the bottom. We got a shot at the bottom. Yeah, my mindset is keep buying even if it goes down, which it most likely will until we're in alt season. Exactly. Thanks, bro. You're welcome, Jay. I appreciate you stopping by the live stream. That peanut coin was booming. I sold at 40 cents. Now it's $2. Crazy. I'm thinking there's a Mike Tyson coin. Yeah, Roberto, that's why you don't sell everything at once. That's why you take your profit or your money out and then you let the rest ride just in case it does what Department of Government Efficiency or Peanut does, right? Because then you'll be rich. Speaking of Doge, I've been buying millions to spell at 004, 005. Nice gains right now. Yeah, congratulations. I know you have been because you've been saying that. So you've been buying literally the bottom. So congratulations, dude. If it goes up, you're one of the chosen ones. If it goes up, meaning you've been sitting on this in the same range forever. Yeah. Yep. And you said you've been OXC for 5 years. Well, this December, it'll be 5. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It came out December, I remember, because we were in the office and OXT wasn't listed on any exchanges. OXT was, fun fact, OXT was listed on Coinbase first. Coinbase was the very first exchange that listed Orchid, which was wild because usually some coins, like, they have to be on other places before they get a Coinbase listing. Coinbase listed Orchid at a market cap of like 10 billion or something. Let's see. Yeah, like 20 billion. It came down to 10 billion, like 8 billion. And I'm like, bro, this is like, and this is before in 2020 when there weren't that many coins on Coinbase. And it was so rare for Coinbase to list coins. So I remember I told my coworker, I'm like, bro, this is it. And basically history. 5 years later, I'm getting wrecked. But that's literally what happened. That's a fun story, true story about my journey with Orchid. So, so that's when people sell when they get their money back. Yeah, exactly. But I'm not gonna sell everything. Like again, you know, so many people. What was that one? Peanut, right? Yeah, so like whoever sold, that guy just said he just sold at 40 cents. No, wrong coin. What's the coin? Peanut? Wait, it's like a couple dollars, right? Am I spelling it wrong? Peanut? What's the name of the coin? I don't think anyone expected Peanut to oh, that's okay, 5x after the Binance listing. So wait, Peanut was listed on freaking Binance? You gotta be kidding me. Bro, this thing got a Binance listing? Yo, what the heck? Wow. So whoever bought 2 weeks ago is a millionaire now. Congratulations, man. Wow, welcome to the circus. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Dude, why would Binance list this coin? Like, what? I'm really, like, convinced that they're, like, the ones that are, like, making these coins. And then... Look, there's Peanut and there's Harambe. gosh. Wow. That is insane. So Peanut, so like, you gotta be joking me right now. Like, what? So this coin, literally 35x in my coin that actually has utility, like, it hasn't done anything. But also, Dojel on Mars isn't listed on Coinbase. Or sorry, Dojel on Mars isn't being listed on Binance. Like, what? This coin has history. How is this not being listed on Binance? They are doing token burns though. If anyone's in the chat. Yeah, damn. That was a very, very big move up. Look at this. That was 150%, and then back down 75%. So they're still holding. Still holding. Yeah, wow. My rule of thumb is how likely can this coin get back to its all-time high? That's a big indicator for me because most won't, or exactly. That's why with OXT, my biggest sell target is the 618 and 786, which is like 50 cents, which is like a 6.5% pump. And then the rest, I'm just gonna ride because I'll be even at that point. So even if the rest goes to $1 or $1.50, I'm still gonna make a ton of money. So I'm happy with it. But also, like, it's a small market cap, so it makes sense for me. But like for something like Spell Token or like Jasmy or like these other really big coins that also have a large circulation. So like, for example, XLM, XRP, it's just a lot harder for them to move. It takes a lot more money for them to move. What's up, Shadow Frost? How are you? Welcome to the end of the live stream. How long have we been how long have we been streaming for? I don't know. I don't know how long we've been streaming for, actually. I think like I started a little bit late, so 5:50, 6:57. Oh, we're going on 2 hours. Yeah, so we got another like 20 minutes, and then we should call it a night, or like 15 minutes, and then we'll do some last straggler coins, and we'll call it a night. Shadow Frost, let me know if you need me to look at any of your coins. Let me look at the chat. Aloe says, so stupid. I'm assuming you're referring to Peanut being listed on Binance with absolutely no trading or volume history at all. And then Dojel on Mars isn't being listed, and this coin's been out for like 4 years. I agree with you. Very stupid. ACT2, is that a coin? Oh, the Wanderer. But like, yeah, that's exactly why you want to sell. Like, you don't want to sell everything. You know, if you put in a couple $1,000s and then, you know, you wake up tomorrow and you 2x'd, the hardest thing is like, just take out your initial investment. And then if you leave the rest of the $2,000 in, then all of it's profit anyway. So even if it goes to zero, you'll be fine. But at least you'll be able to take your $2,000 and then go invest in something else. Like, for example, for people that, like, you know, for this coin, like, if you had just, you know, took out your initial investment here when it went up, you know, 2x or whatever, yeah, 100%. The rest from this location or from this point on would have went up another 20x. So, yeah, you wouldn't have been a millionaire, but it's still a lot of money. Oh, ACT? What is ACT? Like, what is this, man? What is, like, what? Oh my gosh. This is just so upsetting. I mean, good for the people that made it, though. I'm not jealous at that fact. I'm just like, this is just so dumb because my coins aren't moving. Like, what is this coin? Act 1, the AI prophecy. What is this coin? Oh, you know what? I'm not even going to click on that. It looks like a virus. I mean, like, yeah, where's the full graph? October? Yeah, there is no full graph. Oh, I guess it's here. Yeah. So, wow. Oh my gosh. I mean, there's no TA on this. Like, it just literally moonshot it. So I guess as long as it stays over 38 cents, it's still macro bullish. So congratulations. And that's like way far away. Yeah, this thing's going parabolic too. So I don't even think it's going to go down. Why? I just want to wake up and one day have this. Is that too much to ask? I don't think that's too much to ask. Let's go. I'm up 2% on the 7-day, and I'm down 7% on the monthly. And on the year, I'm down 3.68%. And then on the all, it's 80% down. Ouch. I think they just like wrote something though, right? Yeah, here. 12 hours ago. One out of 8. What did they write? Oh wow, this is a lot. Like how? Yeah, whatever. I'm over it. Alrighty, so man, my coins suck. Yeah, Shadow Frost. I'm in the same boat as you. My coins suck too. Bitcoin's under 90,000. That's not good. Doge on Mars is still holding the box at 6 euros 20, so that is still solid. Unfortunately, we do need to stay over this box. Otherwise, we are going to go back down. And then DOGECOIN is still over 36 cents. So yeah. Never stop clicking buttons. Yeah, exactly. Well, I think that's pretty much it. I think we've covered all the coins that we needed to. I think that, you know, everyone's solid for another day in the books, or another night in the books. And I will be live streaming again tomorrow. So keep in mind, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's just Crypto Meow Analysis. Obviously, you'll see my logo on there. Usually I post my schedule, like going live, and actually pretty cool AI generated images that like make that up too. So if you guys want to go follow me, you guys can kind of know when I'm going live. I also try to create shorts too, so if anybody noticed, I'm like creating shorts letting you guys know, oh hey, like I'm going live today, but you guys can follow me there. Altcoin season already started. Some of us are holding hot garbage. You're wrong. Altcoin season did start, but it's all in rotations. Okay, so it's not that fast. It doesn't happen that fast. So literally, I want to say the next like 3 to 6 months. So when I show you OXT and when it's at 20 cents, I'm gonna prove you wrong. You're gonna be like, oh wow, you know, you're right. Alt season hasn't. Is still in play. It's not like it happens like as fast as Bitcoin. Bitcoin always goes up super fast, and then it's going to take some time for the Bitcoin dominance to drop. It has started, but again, the only and it's not like hot garbage. We just didn't know that meme coins were going to run first. We all thought meme coins were going to run last. That's why the majority of my position is in one coin instead of Elon. I was really hoping that would run so then I can rotate into Elon, but it just didn't work out that way. Keep buying dips, boys and girls. I agree with you. I'm dipped out. Yeah, same here. All right, guys. Again, thank you everybody that stops by. And I really appreciate all the super chats. That's awesome. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. This is all for entertainment purposes. Thank you all for coming by and hanging out and looking at all these coins and watching other people become millionaires while we hold our coins until Bitcoin dominance drops. See? Perfect. And I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. Have a great night, and thank you so much again, and thank you. Yeah, that's pretty much it.